Hello, class. I hope you guys are ready for a great semester, a great spring semester. Angelica contacted me and let me know that the wrong syllabus had loaded. It was the syllabus for 455, but I think what you guys are most interested in is the course calendar. So this is going to be your orientation video. So I'm going to go through some things on this video, and then I'm going to create another video for what you're supposed to do this week. And then usually each week I create a different video. Have a bit of a cold. Luckily, you guys are online, so you won't contact it from me. So first of all, this is the home page, and that's where we are now. And I'll be replacing this video with the video that we're doing right now. And of course, if you've been at Campbell University, you know that announcements are given on the home page, and the syllabus and the schedule I will attach to make sure that they are there for you to see, and I'll also email them to you as well. The weekly modules, I want to go over how that's going to work. Here's your information for MindTap, so you'll need to follow those instructions, and I'll send you those in an email as well, or I'll send you the link in an email so that you have that to get to MindTap. So each week, the front page that you see, which I call the landing page, the landing page will have the incremental outcomes for the week. But what you're interested in as a student is to go inside the room, and I call this inside the classroom, inside the folder, to see what the assignments are. So these are the readings, the lecture notes for Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. The PowerPoints are there just as a resource to help you better understand the chapter. And for those of you who are visual, it just kind of gives you some visuals. And then, so we'll have Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 for the first week. So these are the readings for Chapter 2, and then the PowerPoint that helps you better understand Chapter 2. And these here are the discussion guidelines that you need to see. I need you to make sure that you're doing the discussion questions by Thursday night, 11 o'clock. If your discussion question comes in after Thursday night, 11 o'clock, it's not counted. Okay, so make sure you have those. Next is the introduction activity. This is the first activity you have this week. You're going to create an introduction of yourself via video. So you're going to create a YouTube of yourself or whatever video software or application you like to use. And you can use your cell phone, your laptop, or a video recorder. You're going to include the information and post it to the discussion board. I just want to know a little bit about you, your education, your work, your hobbies, your interests, your family, and your educational philosophy. So what is your educational philosophy? And or you can, if you don't know what it is yet and you're thinking about it, you can tell me why you want to become a teacher. And then it respond to at least 2 of your classmates. And that's your assignment for this week. And also, if you have the book already, you can go ahead and do Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, wrapping it up quiz. If you don't have the book, then next week you'll need to do Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. And then each week you can click here and you'll see that the following week. So those are the assignments for this week. And then the course contacts information. If you're looking for my information, you don't see it on the syllabus, or you just rather look here, this is my information. And you do have other resources. I would like you guys to use the Wiggins Memorial Library because the online library, there's a lot of information there. And also Cengage, the software that we're using with the textbook, comes with a encyclopedia and also comes with a database for educational journals. And so that's a good place for you to look when you're having to do a journal article for me. Also, discussion board is loaded here. With the discussion board, I ask you to do, like I said, this part right here is if you have any questions for me. Then you're going to do the introductory video here. I see somebody's done it already. And then this is your week 1 question. And I also need you to start thinking about a research topic because for this class, you're going to have a research paper that is due by the end of the semester. And then the midterm, I give you a midterm study guide, and the study guide actually is the same as the test. You just got to get the study guide done so that you can complete the test. The questions will come from the study guide. I think that'll do it for the overview. And like I said, most of you guys are wanting to see what the course schedule looks like. And the course schedule is here. And I have it broken down for each week. And I also have the assignments listed for you. So you can always look here for your assignments inside of the course schedule. Or, of course, you can come to the weekly modules. And like I said, go into what I call the room. And you will see what you have to do for that week. And then the following week is just underneath it. And it shows you what you need to do for that week. And you'll notice that assignments are always in red. So you'll have the assignments in red and your discussion board question each week. So that's week 2. Then it would follow to week 3. And again, you will have your readings, your supplemental resources, and then in red, your assignments for that week and your discussion board and so forth. And so it runs like that each week. Videos, resources, readings, red is your assignments, okay? If you have questions, I'm easy to work with. Call me. In my office is 910-893-1715. And that'll do it, guys. I'm going to send you this video. I'm going to send you the link to how to set up your Cengage online MindTap. And I'm also going to send you the syllabus and the course schedule. And make sure that you have your discussion question done by Thursday night, 11 o'clock p.m. And thank you, Angelica, for calling me and letting me know that we had a problem with the upload. Okay, thank you very much, guys.